What's up guys, Major here. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to download free fonts for your Windows or your Mac OS PC in 2019. So with that being said, let's go straight to the site. The name of the site is fonts.com. Okay, once you load that up, it's gonna load, and then if you want, you can just go through the recently added fonts, and if you like any, you can just download from there. But I like going to top fonts, so top fonts, and then you can just scroll round, then you can just go to 50, and then just look for anyone you like. Okay, anyone you like. Okay, I think I like this one. It says skills and commando. So you click download, and you're going to see it's going to start downloading here. And once it's done downloading, you can just click here. Then to install the font, you have to right click here, and it's going to show you this, and then you just click install. It's going to show you installing fonts one of one, and that's it. It's done installing, and then you're going to be going to the second site. So this is the second site. It says, well, let's refresh this a bit here, so you can see this at the site here. These are the fonts on the site. So let's go to try 10, because I've not actually seen anyone that I like. So let's see. I think I like this one. So what you have to do, you have to click here, download. It's gonna ask you, do you want to do this? You just have to click start. Okay, it's 200 kilobyte. Then you have to open, and then you have to choose the one you want, and then if you just click this one, it's gonna show you this. Then you click install, and then it's gonna install the font for you. And so that's how you download and install fonts on your Windows or your Mac OS PC. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a very big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share it to your friends. I will see you guys in the next video. And Major out.